tremendous changes in the education sector in our country. We are now at the junior secondary, junior school, because it is now junior school, not junior secondary, but it is junior school. In the next 2 years, 2026, we shall be having the students transiting from junior secondary or junior school to senior school. And this is where we are going to have education pathways, the pathways that will prepare these learners to take their various careers depending on their ability. So as a school, you need to prepare for that transition so that you put up enough infrastructure, and therefore this calls for parents, the leadership, the political leadership in this area, and everybody else.
Na wale wamepata grade ambao sio ya university, siku hizi tuko na TVET and the government gives good money there, and I want to thank our CS Education Machogu, who has shown us serious competence in terms of making sure that our children get a very good education.
Inflation has hit our schools in a very, very bad way, because if you look at the price of food, it has escalated to abnormal ranges. Like a sack of maize that we used to buy, a bag of maize that we used to buy at 3,800 up to 4,000, it is now costing at 7,500. You look at the price of beans that we used to buy around at 8,500, it is now at 20,000.
Wale walifanya KCSE, and I'm happy, hapa nimesimama Sukuta, I have seen 32 with direct entry. Hawa watoto wote, nikiangalia the whole world, nimeangalia kwa ofisi yangu, wako 226 wenye wanaenda universities. Hawa watoto wote shilingi 2,000 watumie kama transport, wanaenda kusoma university.
Na tugetigane na icio na riu tukirongoreria githomo na biashara.